Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to apply your eyeliner using both our EyeSense and our ShadowSense. Okay, so today I'm showing you how to apply your eyeliner. Eyeliner makes your eyes pop so much and it's so crucial. So I'm going to show you how to use the EyeSense, and I'm going to do that on the top, and then I'm going to use the ShadowSense for you so you can see how to use that, and I'm going to put that on the bottom. Both of these products are great, and everyone has a different preference. A lot of distributors use both of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So I always just shake up my product just to make sure. And today I'm actually gonna use our Starry Sky, which is black with a little bit of sparkle. And I'm gonna show you how to apply it on the top. Now, one key thing is to make sure and not apply like this, okay? That gives you such a tiny point and it's really hard to get a straight line. So it's easier if you kind of pull it across your eye so that you have a wider span and you can get a more even line. So you're just gonna dip it in, get some product on it, and then we're gonna go ahead and get started. And I like starting on the inside to the outside, and then I add on the wing. And there is my top liner. And I'm going to do the other side. And voila, the top liner is on. Okay, so now I'm going to apply my bottom liner using our ShadowSense. This is the color Onyx, and it's black, and it works great for a smoky eye when using it as eyeshadow. And you're just going to basically pull out the wand, and you're going to roll some onto your palette, just like that. And then you can buy a tiny eyeliner brush. The one I have is a Real Techniques brush. You can get it at Target. It's very cheap. And then you just basically roll the brush in the eyeliner to get the product on it. And then you start applying. For my bottom liner, I like to start at the outside and kind of attach that wing and then pull it in and do less product in the middle. And then I also go up on my waterline right here so that it pulls the eye together and gives that darker look toward the outside. Voila. See how when your eyes are outlined in black, it makes them pop so much more and they look so much sharper? It totally finishes your look. So, once again, my favorite products for eyeliner is the ShadowSense by SeneGence and the EyeSense. And like I said, this one is Starry Sky, so it has a little bit of sparkle in it. We also have a regular black and a black brown, same thing, and it's great and lasts all day. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave your comments below. And as always, you can join my Facebook group, Beauty by Stacie Marie. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.